Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki KFX450. This sport racing quad just arrived in beautiful condition. It's got those reservoir shocks on the front, Moose Racing Nerf bars. Really nice condition for 2014. This thing runs like a top, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Come on by and make your sport quad dreams come true with this awesome KFX 450. Only $54.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.